Hello, today we will learn about the 14 Korean consonants. After watching this video, you can understand how to pronounce these Hangul alphabets and the names of the consonants. If you have a pen, you can practice writing with me together. You can download the self-practice PDF file from the description box below. You can practice with me while watching this video using that file. Let's get started. The first consonant is gi, yok, g sound. Next one, niun, n sound. This alphabet is tigit, d sound. This is liul, l, r, or l sound. Next one is m, m sound. This is b, b sound. Next one is si, s sound. Next one is i, It has a silent sound but also has a sound. This one is ji, j sound. We also write the alphabet like this. This is chi, ch sound. You can also write chi like this. This one is ki, k sound. Next one is ti, t sound. Next one is p, p sound. The last one is he, h sound. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all enjoy your language journey. Bye!